At Profoto, ease of use is one of our top priorities, and on the B10, we've made it even easier. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use it. The Profoto B10 uses our standard 100mm mount. This allows you to use our line of lightweight and portable OCF modifiers, as well as over 120 other light shaping tools. The B10 also has a built-in reflector and glass diffuser for a beautiful quality of light right out of the box. The zoom scale on the side of the flash give you reference marks for zooming our hard reflectors. The light stand adapter on the B10 was designed to give you multiple ways to mount the flash. The B10 can be easily mounted to a light stand or handheld using the stand adapter provided. The stand adapter also has a place to mount any standard 9mm umbrella. By removing the adapter with the thumb screw, you can also use the 1/4 screw provided to mount the flash to a tripod. On the side of the flash, you have the removable battery for the B10. To remove the battery, simply press the release button at its base and slide it off. The battery is equipped with a button that you can press to see its current charge. There are 5 LEDs that will illuminate to tell you its status. The B10 also has the added convenience to charge the battery while the flash is in operation. Simply plug the charger into the battery's charge point and the B10 will indicate that it's charging. We've streamlined the use of the B10 to 3 simple controls. First, you have the power and test button. To power up and down the flash, simply hold down the power button for a moment. The power up sequence keeps the B10 from accidentally being turned on while you're on your way to a shoot. The power button is also the test button for the flash. Simply press and release to fire a test flash from the strobe. The small dial on the back of the B10 give you full control of the settings of the continuous light. To activate the continuous light, just press and release the dial. Once active, the brightness and color sliders will appear. To adjust the brightness of the continuous light, simply turn the dial to your desired brightness. You can also adjust the color temperature of the continuous light. Simply hold down the dial while turning to achieve your desired color temperature. The large center dial on the B10 is used to control the power of the flash as well as access to the settings within the unit. To manually adjust the power of the flash, turn the dial to adjust in 1/10 of a stop increments or hold down the dial for full stop control. To access the settings of the B10, simply press and release the center dial. This will take you to the menu system of the flash. The first menu option in the B10 is Aircrew. This allows you to set your flash to the desired group to be easily controlled from the Air remote or the Profoto A1. Just like all of our TTL-enabled flashes, groups A, B, and C are TTL and manual, while groups D, E, and F are manual only. The next option in the menu is where you select the channel that the B10 will operate on. Just like all of our Air-enabled flashes, you have 8 channels to choose from. Simply navigate to the desired channel and press the center dial to select. The Air setting on the B10 allows you to toggle the wireless radio on or off. Just navigate to Air in the menu and press the center dial to change the setting. The Bluetooth settings allow you to pair the Profoto B10 with your smartphone. To set the unit to discoverable, navigate to Bluetooth and select discoverable. This will allow the B10 to be recognized by the Profoto app. If you decide you don't want to be connected to the flash, select disconnect from the Bluetooth menu and confirm by selecting yes. To reconnect to the unit, follow the steps to set the unit to discoverable. The IR slave setting is used to activate the infrared sensor on the back of the B10. This will trigger the B10 when it sees the flash from another strobe unit. To activate, just scroll to the option that says IR slave and tap the center dial. To deactivate, simply press the center dial again. Flash mode gives you the ability to utilize the flash in 2 different ways. Normal mode is optimized for color consistency. This will be the setting that should be used most of the time. Freeze mode is a fast flash duration mode. This will allow the B10 to sync up to 1/50,000th of a second, stopping some of the most challenging movements. To switch between normal and freeze, navigate the cursor to flash mode and tap the center dial. It's that simple. The continuous light setting defines how the continuous light intensity is adjusted. There are two selectable settings to choose from, prop and free. In prop mode, the intensity of the continuous light is always proportional to the flash setting. In free mode, the continuous light's intensity is independent of the flash power. To change this setting, navigate to the continuous light setting and press the center dial. Under the Advanced Settings menu, there are more options for controlling your B10. The Ready Signal setting gives you the ability to set how the B10 indicates that it is fully recycled. The sound setting will give you an audible beep to indicate that the flash is recycled. Dim will turn off the continuous light after the flash and turn it back on when it's ready. You can operate the signals individually or at the same time using the sound and dim option. Off gives you the ability to deactivate both ready signals. The control sounds option can be set to give you tactile sounds for the control knobs and buttons of the B10. To enable or disable, simply navigate to the control sounds option and press the center dial to select your desired setting. The next option in the menu is exposure warning. The exposure warning causes the B10 to give a warning sound for wrong exposure if the flash is fired before the B10 has fully recycled. An exposure warning is also issued if the requested flash energy is out of range while in TTL. To enable or disable, navigate the exposure warning option in the menu and press the center dial to set. The display brightness option is used to set the brightness of the LCD display on the back of the B10. There are 4 options to choose from in the display brightness menu: Auto, Max, Medium, and Low. Auto will automatically adjust the display brightness based on the ambient light. To adjust this setting, select Display Brightness from the menu and navigate to the desired setting. To confirm your setting, simply press the center dial. The standby setting sets a timer for a period of inactivity before the B10 goes to sleep to conserve the battery. There are 4 selectable standby modes: 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and never. To set standby to your desired setting, navigate to your desired time setting and press the center dial to confirm. The auto off setting is similar to the standby setting in that it sets a timer for a period of inactivity. Instead of simply putting the flash to sleep, it turns the B10 off to conserve battery. The 3 selectable options for auto off are 5 minutes, 1 hour, and never. To set, simply highlight your preferred setting and press the center dial to confirm. That's how you use the Profoto B10.